Once box is in position, use a 12mm hammer drill bit to drill into each foot at least 80mm deep. Using the minimum of M12 by 80mm galvanised true bolts, hammer into each hole on feet. Using a 19mm socket, drill with a 1/2 inch driver the bolts in. Using a bubble level, apply to the side of the box and check level. In this case, this side needs to be raised. With pry bar, lift to required height using slotted adjustable feet and insert packer. With packer inserted, check bubble to see that it is level. With 4.5mm drill bit, drill a small hole on the low on each foot. Using a 14 gauge self-drilling screw, screw these into the holes to help prevent rocking in strong winds and weather. Once the box is level, with packers inserted, tighten the bolts on the feet with a 16mm socket and 17mm spanner. Once all feet are secured by both bolts and screws, then you can remove the packer. Now that the box is secured and in place, the packer has been removed, you can clean up with a blower to remove all concrete dust and steel shavings.